Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. Hi, how are you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another basically recommendation to one of the CNC owner here on Instagram. He sent me some list of videos. Some of them, I skimmed through some of them. It's repetitive stuff, so I'm a reactor to basically some sexy videos from 2018 from the group CNCO. I'm gonna listen to like a few minutes to the song and then I'm just gonna mute it and put my own free music under the video because I'm not gonna get copyrighted. I'm tired of YouTube messaging me about copyright issue. I don't got time for that. Ugh. So let's go see what they gonna be giving us. Oh no, no, keep it going. Let's watch this on mute. Oh, and he's the one who say he didn't watch porno. Well, he know to move them hips from somewhere. Practice made perfect. Or in dance class. Oh god, I can't do this stuff in. Yes, go Chris, go Chris. Remember, this is Joel right here, guys. He better move them hips. Those pants are so tight, though. Yes. Come on, Zabdiel. Okay, Chris. Oh. I think Chris is from Ecuador. I would never would have thought. I'm like, oh, maybe he's white and doesn't speak Spanish, but that's so wrong for me to say that. But Chris dances be game. Oh my god. Love it. Yes, Abdiel. He's so stupid. I hate a baiter. Oh, he's such a baiter. Yes. Okay. Shuffle to the right, shuffle to the left. Yeah, pop, pop, pop. Oh, Chris ain't no V. I'm assuming. Hey. It's very nice to see what artists usually do when they do dance rehearsals and sound prep. Because I remember when I went to Beyonce concert, we can hear, or was waiting outside, we can hear her singing and doing sound check. I'm gonna make sure you hear her. I like that. Oh, he's doing a dab. Go Richard, go Richard, go. I can't wait to Abdiel. Oh, I don't know how tall is he. 6'1", 6 foot. It's so stupid, I can't go. Oh, this was the footage from earlier, but from this angle. We're seeing from like the front angle overhead, basically. Look at them thirsty heifers in the front, thirsty heifers. Oh my god, all those people. Oh god, thank god this was before Corona. They all would have been affected. Look at it, dancing got so much better within like 3 years time span. Yes. Joel. Their pants were so tight. Who's this, Eric? Okay. Or maybe he's a natural dancer then. Maybe he didn't watch porn videos. Who's this? Eric? Eric better start with his young self. Over there grinding on stage on that young man. Bap, bap, bap. Just won't stop. Tight pants all up in those girls' face. Child. I can't. I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to that. That was so cute. You know, they're very attractive young men. I'm not gonna say I lie to you. They are very attractive. Like them, I too is also signed up for the gym. I went from like a 3x to now 2x. I'm trying to go back to my skinny self like I was 2 years ago. But it's so hard, guys. But I need to look good before my birthday for the summer. I don't know. I'm thinking about going to Puerto Rico for my birthday. I don't know. But thanks to you, my Instagram friend. Let me look up their name. I keep forgetting. Putaria CNCO BR. Oh, you're from Brazil. I keep messing up his name. But thank you so much, sir. I really do like this, Les, as always. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.